Connecting Instagram with Discord is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be showing you how to do it properly. So before that, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment under the video, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So let's dive right into the video. What you have to do is simply go to the settings. In this setting, you will see a connection tab on the left hand side. So once you're in the connection tab, what you have to do is to simply go ahead and click on view more, and in the view more, go ahead and click on domain setting. Here, just type in www.instagram.com and simply press next and then verify. So that's how you can add Instagram to your Discord. I hope you found this really helpful. Take care. Bye bye.